We can narrow our search results down by using the filters at the top of the page. You'll see here there's a source type filter, a publication date filter, an option for filtering to only peer-reviewed items, and then there's this option for all filters, which allows me to select multiple filters at one time. So we'll go ahead and select peer-reviewed, items published within the last year, as well as items with the subject heading individualized instruction. You'll notice there are other filters available to me, but we'll stick there and click Apply Filters. That limits my search results down to 155 items that are peer-reviewed, published within the last year, and have the subject heading individualized instruction, which you'll see bolded here.